I'm still here. Hey guys, it's been a while. Sorry I haven't been able to, this is probably gonna come late, and if it does, I apologize in advance. But I'm here now, and hopefully, from here on, I will be able to post more consistently at 4 p.m. every Saturday. So yeah, sorry for the wait, but hopefully I can make it up to you with this video. Because this video, I will be making a working Spider-Man web shooter. Some of you who have been with my channel for a while know that I have actually made a web shooter before. It's one of my first videos, how to make a Spider-Man web shooter. It shoots string or something, I can't exactly remember. But I do remember that in that video I sounded like a 12-year-old, because that was like 2 years ago. Anyway, I'm here making it again, and it's better. It does not shoot string anymore. It actually shoots fluid, and it's hydraulic powered this time. So, yeah, I've been wanting to make this video for a while, and now here it is. A Christmas present, holiday present, New Year's gift, whatever you want to call it. But, yeah, this is a big project I've been wanting to do for a while, so here it is. Oh, and a shout out to our fellow inventor YouTube channel, Dynamic DIYs. We're actually doing a collab/competition kind of thing where we both make projects and put videos out for them. And make sure to check out his channel. And yeah, link in the description below. Go check out some of his videos. Trust me, they're definitely worth the watch. Especially if you've gone around my channel too, you'll definitely like his. Yeah, and go ahead and drop a sub to him. I bet that would really help him out. And while you're at it, maybe you could drop a sub with me too. But without further ado, let's get on to this. So there's a few things that we're going to need for this project. It's mostly cardboard, actually. The structure is basically cardboard. As you can see, I literally cut out the cardboard from a cereal box. The fastening is Velcro, but you could really use, I don't know, if you were kind of desperate to make it connect, you could use tape, or you can use paper clips or something. I just used Velcro because I had some on me. Yeah, it's mostly cardboard. I used silver paper for the aesthetic stuff that's also not really necessary. And this is a pen tube that goes all the way through, so that's pretty cool, but like I said, you can easily make it with cardboard. And one of the other important things is hydraulics. You will need a hydraulic syringe and a hydraulic tube, which you can easily get online for pretty cheap. And if you've been around my channel a lot, I use a lot of those. So, yeah, and that's pretty much it. It's a really simple project. And for the fluid, I did just mix soap and water. That's the secret formula. But without further ado, that's pretty much it. Like, it's a really simple project, trust me. And it's really easy to make. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and make it. Alright, and that's pretty much it. It's a really simple build, and it's a definite upgrade from my last web shooter. So yeah, that's pretty much how it works. Let's go test it out. And that is it. That is the working Spider-Man web shooter of today. So, yeah, everybody, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and comment if you have any ideas for what I should build next. Go ahead and follow me on Insta or find my website. All of these links in the description below. And also, again, go ahead and check out Dynamic DIYs, also link in the description below. Thanks for watching, everybody. Catch you later.